Hi all, so I'm Ratneshwari Surya Pomar here, motivational speaker level 3. So today I am here to share the magical journey of my life, one of the best decisions I have taken in my life. So coming to the first question, like how did you join the course? I joined this course through one of my students. I saw it on a status, and then I thought, okay, why don't I go? Like when I joined, I was not sure about this course, but yeah, it promised me of a job, so I came into that. What was your mindset when you joined the course? So as I said, like I was not sure, and I was like seriously, like within 6 months will they provide a job, and what am I going to do? Because I wanted to be a motivational speaker. I loved that field, but I don't know like how it will be going, and like in that mindset also, like I was having few negativities in my life, and I was bit down in my life at the point of time when I joined the course. Then what were the changes you observed after a month? The changes are enormous. I can't just explain in words. Like when I came in, like I had a doubtful mind, and everything I do, I always had a doubt about my performance, and I was always worried about what others would think. But coming here, I learned about myself. Like within not even 1 month, within 1 week, I saw the changes in me. What are you learning in this course? So this isn't very easy to say, because like we are learning enormous things in this course. Simply, if I would say, you will discover yourself, and you will be the best version of yourself. You will be the happiest person and the most successful person. So this teaches you to be yourself, to find yourself. What do you think about the fact that this course provides a job on completion? I promise that it does. 100% it does. Like I'm in the third level, like I've completed just 3 months, and by the second month even I started doing programs, and like right now I have nearly finished more than 6 to 7 programs. So job is 100% guaranteed. Is it possible to become a job person within 6 months? Indeed yes, because from the second month we are getting the training, and like it's third month, and right now we are working effortlessly. So that's the main thing, like effortlessly job has become our thing. Was the change restricted only upon yourself? Trust me people, no, it has not changed only myself, but also my benefit has helped many of them around me. Like everyone else around me are benefited, and it is creating a very positive environment for me, my siblings, my family, and everyone. Is this quote worth for rupees 50,000? Thumbs up. Indeed yes, you all are lucky to study this like for 50,000. Like you can spend million, because like this course teaches you the basic stuff which you need to take your life upon. So what would have you been in your state if you had never come across this class? So what would have happened is, like I would have been in the same stage. Now I am performing in a, what to say, like into 4 times or into 5 times. If I hadn't come to this course, I would have been just an ordinary person. What do you want to say others about this program? So if you want a career, or like if you want a job, you can come for this. Or even you're not interested in that, but something you feel like lacking in your life, because everyone has that question, like we feel like something is still lacking in my life, I want to do something. Then this course is for you. Like this course will teach you who you are, and then what you can do. It will boost up your energy. It will be a world of positivity. Whenever you do something, there will be millions of hearts wishing for you, supporting for you, and praying for you. So this world will be something which gives you much more love and positivity, and more than anything, it will show you the paths for you to love yourself, for you to value yourself, for you to value others also. Like success is not only upon you, but also your society and the people around you. So this will have a great impact on you and also your society. Especially in briefly, if I want to say, if you want to learn life, if you want to learn who you are, if you want to win the life, then you can come for this course. This 50,000 is the investment for your lifetime, not for 6 months, it's for your lifetime. So go for it and get the benefit, and a very warm welcome for you to our